In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app and clicking on Photos or Albums at the bottom. When you're ready, hold one of your pictures to get rid of. And to select multiple, use those icons at the top right corners. Now, to keep some of those photos, tap on them. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!